make sure they're following the rules, and I don't let them get away with anything. If they don't like it, all they gotta do is follow the rules. Don't have extra items that you're not supposed to have. Why do we got more than one towel here, ladies? Who's special? You're special? No, I'm not special. Alright, the ladies that are ready, you should be standing up next to the wall, backed up against the rail.
I programmet lægger fængselsbetjent Westford vægt på det personlige ansvar.
They need to start taking their responsibility for their own actions rather than trying to push it off on somebody else. Then when they go back out there into the real world, it'll prevent them from making some of the same mistakes. Chain 1, step forward. Left face. Forward march. Chain 3, step forward. Left face.
Hallo, motor.
On down.
Hver enkelt pige på holdet er her frivilligt, og de fleste melder sig med det formål at få struktur i livet og færdigheder.
It's, exercise, discipline, which I sorely need. You feel like you're actually doing something. You feel like you're actually accomplishing something.
Klokken er 6:30. Pigerne lænkes. En efter en vil de klæde sammen med 10 meter lange, ubrydelige lænker. Der er 3 arbejdskæder i alt. 5 kvinder per kæde. Programmet er barsk. Mange deltagere får aldrig det eftertragtede eksamensbevis. Dumper de, er det et demoraliserende slag med en billet direkte tilbage til den sprængfarlige og ustrukturerede tilbud.
Alright, ladies. The 2 more, pay attention. When we say check your marks, that means raise your right arm up. Let's go away to the person in front of you. That should be the distance you maintain from that person at all times.
Hvert hold får udpeget en holdleder. Hun skal være et eksempel på god opførsel, et forbillede for de andre kvinder. I dag skal betjentene udpege en ny holdleder.
I'm trying to pick somebody that I look at as they're already sort of a natural leader. Somebody that the other inmates are going to listen to, they're going to respect.
Den viljestærke 28-årige Kylie Marks skiller sig ud.
She's picked up the marching really good, and that's one of the hardest parts for the women on the chain. And she's just shown good leadership qualities. Other inmates seem to listen to her. Well, give it a shot. Yeah. That's all we're asking you to do.
My name is Kylie Marks. I'm in for possession of methamphetamine and possession of drug paraphernalia.
Det er Kylie Marks 10. dag på holdet. Hun afslutter en dom på 3 måneder. Kylie, der har fået ødelagt i Louisiana efter sin hjemstat, kommer fra en velhængende familie.
What is all rotten? Always had everything. Clothes, cars, you name it, I had it. Lost it. And then I turned 19, started cracking, really went downhill, always lost everything within like a 6-month period, if even that long. Everything. I was introduced to a world that I didn't even know existed. I had no idea that this world existed. And it's a hard hole to climb out of. It's very hard. And it's like every time I'm slowly starting to get back on my feet, I just fall right back down. It's just too big for me to bring that person back. The person that I was when I was like, before the drugs.
Som holdleder får Kylie instrukser om at holde øje med, om nogen opfører sig forkert. Hver pige skal følge 10 strenge regler. De skal for eksempel være seksualiserede, gennemgå obligatoriske kropsvisiteringer og holde sig uden for skuldervarer.
One marching out of the building. See somebody that you know, don't start waving to them. Anything is considered contact.
Hello, Android.
Ladies, check your marks.